Good morning, everybody. My name is Kash, and I work for Rick Case. I sell Hyundais and Genesis on the new side, and pretty much everything under the sun on the pre-owned side. Today, I'm going to take a quick review on the 2023 Elantra Hybrid Limited. This is what the vehicle will look like up front. These are the wheels you get with it. On the back, you got the telltale sign. It is a hybrid because it says so right there. This is a top of the line for you. So you have a couple features that are specific to the Hybrid Limited. First off, you'll have the integrated memory system, which will be here, nicely cut out. Power seats on the vehicle for you as well. You get this ginormous dual display, so part of it is your driver cluster, and then the other part is the multimedia screen over here. Down here, you'll have dual climate control. Cooled seats will be the one thing to note on this one as well. And then down in that little cubby area is actually your wireless charger on the vehicle for you. So you can drop your phone on there if you'd like, or AirPods. Work out pretty well for me. Backup area, you'll have the backup camera standard. No 360 on these as of yet. And then you also have your sonar sensors in the back bumper. They go beep, beep, beep when you get close to something. On this car, you also have the smart cruise control, standard on the vehicle, and all your safety options. If you got any questions on the car, please feel free to call me directly, 603-858-4511. Again, that number is 603-858-4511. My name is Kash, and I work for Rick Case. Take care, guys. I'll talk to you.